Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook account's password on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to change your Facebook account's password on your iPhone, first open up your Facebook app on your iPhone. And after opening your Facebook app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the menu icon. Tap on that menu icon. And over here, guys, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see the settings icon available for us. In order to change a password, tap on the settings icon. And over here, guys, when we land on the settings and privacy directly, you can see the Meta account center over here, and you can see the see more in the account center. Tap over there where it says the see more in the account center. And this is a new place to manage your Instagram accounts, your any accounts related to your Meta over here, guys. And in order to change your password, scroll down a bit and you can see the password and security for us just below the personal details. Tap on the password and security. And over here, guys, at the top of the list, you can see the change password option available for us. Now, in order to change your Facebook password on your iPhone, simply tap on that change password option. And guys, you can see you will be able to change your password on either Instagram or Facebook only. So let's go with the Facebook. And this will be recoverable for you on your Meta account. And with that being said, guys, over here, in order to change your password, tap your current password over here. And let's wait for it. And I have typed my current password over here, guys. So, and over here, type a new password. And while entering a new password, guys, do make sure to make at least your password 8 characters long, because it will make it strong. And do make sure to use some capital letters, some numbers and some extra special characters, just to make your password strong and uncrackable. And with that being said, let's hit our password, guys. And again, retype your password over here. And after that, guys, okay, let's retype our password. And after you typing your password correctly, guys, let's wait for it. And entering your current password, you can see the change button available for us. And after you have done entering your current password, your new password, you can simply tap on the change password button, guys. But if you forgot your password and you're not resetting it, but you want to recover your account's password, you can simply tap on the forgot password button over here to recover your account's password if you lost it or forgot it, to a pin code or a one-time OTP code from the Facebook on your email address on your mobile. But with that being said, guys, in order to change your password on your Facebook account, now there is the change password button. Simply tap on it and your account's password will be changed. With that being said, guys, this is how you change your Facebook account's password. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.